My lemongrass was not looking too happy. It ends up the soil's kind of dry. When I tried to separate it a little, because I saw you can divide it, it is so root bound. So I'm trying to separate and replant a bit. I don't like the looks of this guy. I'm not sure if he's still alive, but I will be researching him. I've separated out the first lemongrass plant and just going to peel off some of that brown growth at the bottom and decide how much roots to keep when I transplant it. See how many lemongrass plants I have. Okay, something like this I'm not going to keep, so I'm only going to keep the ones that are green and growing and good looking. After completing the division, I have 15 different lemongrass plants that have separated for repotting. Lemongrass should be divided about every 2 years, so I'm on schedule, and I want to put them in 10-inch pots.